We're gonna run it out here and back up in the truck bed and round and round and round. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2012 Toyota Tacoma Extreme Off-Road. This truck is a super hot rod. It's ready to go. In the last video, you saw us work on the A-pillar over there. We got it phenomenally flat. We worked on the hood. JP sanded it all down, put a boatload of primer on it. It's looking really, really good. There's a couple of things that we need to do tonight on our truck. We got to spot this one little dent up there on the roof, right there. I don't know, something bumped it a little bit, tree limb, who knows. But we're going to fix that little dent, and then the clear coat on the roof is spotted up pretty good, bubbled up a little bit. So we're going to sand all that off. We're going to get it smooth as silk. Get some primer put on it so it'll be super slick, because JP has got that awesome job of matching this paint color, because we're not going to paint this truck all over. So let's stop talking and let's start working. Alrighty guys, man, it's been like a circus here tonight. We've just had this going this way and that going that way, and JP going here and CC going there. I don't even know where I'm at, but I know this right here is looking a lot better. We put a good bit of Bondo on that, and I cut every bit of it back off because it just wasn't, it didn't have this roundness like I felt like it needed. So working on that a little bit. We ground about every bit of the paint off the top. Like it's almost gone. So we got a little bit of a dent to fix. We got to finish this up. It's pouring down rain. We got to get some primer on this thing. So we're going to do it. It's going to happen right now. Alrighty guys, man, we have worked the whole evening away. Like, we just started working and we looked up and it's time to go to bed. Like, we've been on this thing for a few hours now, and we didn't get accomplished what we wanted, but we got accomplished a great deal of stuff because we want this thing to look really, really good, and we had to get up on the top. JP got up there and he ate a lot of paint dust to get that thing sanded down. And we've worked on the A-pillar just a little bit more. We found a few dents, we found a few dings. You know, we got to go over that stuff with some glaze and hammer it all out, but it's looking absolutely phenomenal. We can't wait to get it done. But I think this is going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. In the next video, we should be able to get it all primered up and get it ready. Get everything ready to start getting this sucker painted, because we need to get it painted. We need it to look beautiful in the sunlight, in the Barcelona red, our beautiful 2012 Toyota Tacoma. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.